Hello folks, and welcome back to the channel. Recently, there have been some confusion on what the pathway to British citizenship is for various categories of individuals. In today's video, we seek to demystify this. We will be looking at how you can acquire British citizenship whether you have settled status, indefinite leave to remain, ILR, spouse of a British citizen or a child of a British citizen. So make sure you watch till the end of the video so that you do not miss out on this important bit of information. For those of you new to this channel, don't forget to watch my other viral videos on various hot topics around the UK and the world at large. However, before we get right in, I am extending the warm arm of friendship to new members on this channel. In Chronicles of Ola, you will find everything you need to know about living and life in the UK. Please, like, share and subscribe to be a part of the channel, and the first to be notified when the next video drops. As always, I am keen to engage with the fans, so please drop a note in the comment section. 1.0. Settled status. Settled status is a significant milestone for EU citizens and their families residing in the UK. It signifies the right to live, work, and access public services without any immigration restrictions. For those on settled status, the next step often involves the aspiration to attain full British citizenship. 1.1. Residency requirement for settled status. One crucial aspect on the path to citizenship is meeting the residency requirements. Individuals on settled status must typically demonstrate a continuous period of lawful residence in the UK, adhering to specific residency conditions to qualify for citizenship. Generally, a minimum continuous residency of 5 years is required before applying for citizenship. 1.2. Citizenship application process. The citizenship application process involves various steps and documentation. Applicants need to complete the necessary forms, provide evidence of their residency, demonstrate their English language proficiency, and showcase their knowledge of British life through the Life in the UK test. These documents include application forms, language proficiency requirements, etc. 1.3. Integration and contribution. An integral part of the citizenship journey is demonstrating integration into British society. Applicants showcase their involvement in the community, contributions to society, and commitment to British values and laws. Community involvement includes volunteer work, engagement in community activities, and adherence to British values. 2.0. Indefinite leave to remain. Indefinite leave to remain, commonly known as ILR, grants individuals the right to live and work in the UK without immigration restrictions. For those with ILR, the natural progression often involves pursuing British citizenship. 2.1. Residency obligations for ILR. On the pathway to citizenship, meeting residency obligations is crucial. Individuals with ILR typically need to demonstrate a specific period of lawful residence in the UK to qualify for citizenship. Usually, a minimum continuous residency period of 5 years is required to obtain ILR, and then citizenship application can be made after a further year. 2.2. Citizenship application process. The process of applying for British citizenship involves several steps and documentation. Applicants are required to complete application forms, provide evidence of their residency, demonstrate English language proficiency, and showcase their knowledge of British life through the Life in the UK test. 2.3. Integration and contribution. Integral to the citizenship journey is demonstrating integration into British society. Applicants exhibit their involvement in the community, contributions to society, and adherence to British values and laws. Community engagement such as volunteer work, participation in community events, and adherence to British values play a significant role. 3.0. Spouses and civil partners. Being married to or in a civil partnership with a British citizen opens a pathway to British citizenship for eligible individuals. This relationship status holds great significance in the citizenship application process. 3.1. Residency and timeframe. Residency plays a pivotal role in the pathway to citizenship. Individuals in such partnerships typically need to demonstrate a specific period of lawful residence in the UK before becoming eligible to apply for British citizenship. The typical residency requirement is usually a minimum continuous period of 3 years before applying for citizenship. 3.2. Citizenship application process. The process of applying for British citizenship involves completing application forms, providing evidence of residency, demonstrating English language proficiency, and showcasing knowledge of British life through the Life in the UK test. Supporting documents include details about necessary documents, language requirements, and application forms. 3.3. Integration and contribution. Integral to the citizenship journey is demonstrating integration into British society. Applicants highlight their involvement in the community, contributions to society, and adherence to British values and laws. Community engagement involves active participation in community activities, and adhering to British values are essential aspects. 4.0. Child of a British citizen. Children born to British citizens are entitled to British citizenship by descent. This relationship status is fundamental in determining eligibility for British citizenship. 4.1. Registration as a British citizen. For children born outside the UK to British citizen parents, the process often involves registering as a British citizen. Registration is typically necessary to claim citizenship rights. Registration process include details about application procedures, and required documentation for registration. 4.2. Residency requirements. Residency considerations may vary for children born abroad to British citizen parents. Factors such as the parent's residency status, and specific circumstances might impact the child's entitlement to British citizenship. 4.3. Rights and privileges. British citizenship for children of British citizens offers a range of rights and privileges. It grants access to healthcare, education, and the right to live and work in the UK without immigration restrictions. There you have it. We have reviewed the requirements to apply for British citizenship for those with settled status, indefinite leave to remain, spouse or civil partners of British citizens, and lastly children born to British citizens. One question for you viewers. Do you think acquiring British citizenship is now a lot straightforward and easier than it was 20 years ago? Drop your response in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Not so fast though. Did you like the video? Do you have friends and family that can benefit from this information? Then do not hesitate to like, share, subscribe and drop a message in the comments section. Shalom.